Hello everyone, welcome back to Colorado channel. Today I would like to introduce you our 4th generation SOX printer, COAT210 Pro. This is the new upgraded generation SOX printer, and it has variety, function and characters to meet up clients' requests for SOX printing. Let's see what exact character it has. It still keeps using the continuous rotating printing mode with 4 rollers. And this is the biggest changes you can see from the outlook directly, right? And still the one-way printing mode with the printing head moving from that side to this side, then the one-piece SOX printer will be done. And we added this engine with the top brand of the silver model to get the better printing artwork and for the printing working situation more steady. And also the high precision, the image output by using the Epson print head, Epson i1600. And the software, we are still using the new Stampa, but it's already upgraded to the latest version together with the mainboard to ensure that both hardware and software can matching each other so well to get the high efficiency and stability for the printing. And for the printing speed, what do you think? How much time it will cost for one piece SOX? 40 seconds? No way. 30? Incorrect. That's really amazing. It's less than 20 seconds. It's only about 18 to 19 seconds per piece of SOX printing. And also the operation will be very easy and convenient. You don't need to get off the roller from the machine and then set up another new one. And what you need to do is the blank SOX, you just need to put it on a roller, and then the engine will start moving and turn the roller to the proper position for the printing. Let's see how this new upgraded SOX printer works. First, you need to get preparation for the printing. So wrap the paper on the rollers. It will be easy for you to set the SOX on and off. Second, put the SOX on and ensure the proper position. Then click print. It starts. Once one piece of SOX is done, the model will turn another roller under the printing position and the second SOX will be printed. So during printing, you can set the SOX onto the roller for the next one. Therefore, the operators don't need to do any extra work, but just upload the SOX and offload the SOX. This is how this SOX printer works. With this new upgraded version of SOX printer, and you will get high quality of the printing solution and decrease the labor costs, and also increase the high efficiency and stability for the printing work. Hope that really can help you for your business. And what we will do is keep focusing to developing our machine and get better service for you. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and appreciate if you give us a like and subscribe us for more information. See you next time. Bye.